Hi everybody, I'm Brock with Eveready Athletics. Thanks for watching. This is going to be the first installment of a few videos on low back pain and exercise, why we're having it, how we can get rid of it, because you really shouldn't be experiencing pain while exercising other than the fiery burn within your muscles, okay? So first one we're going to talk about is just ab exercises and low back pain. Is this normal? If normal means common, then yes, because it is very common. But if normal means that's correct and that's how it should feel, that is not right, okay? So let's take a look at the effect the abs have on the spine, okay? See, this is just the spine. There's no rib cage, though the abs do connect there, and they also come down here and connect on the pubic bones down here. So when they contract, they actually cause posterior pelvic tilt, okay? So it's this movement here, as well as some lumbar flexion, okay? And so when we get pain is when we lose this posterior pelvic tilt and we get this excessive arch, and then we yank on it and we just cause it to just force it back and forth like this. And it's these quick, short motions of flexion extension of the lumbar spine and not appropriate positioning of the pelvis with our abs that causes this pain. So what do we do about that? Is when we do any exercise, ab exercise, whether we're standing or not, you flex those abs so that pelvis is pulled posteriorly, the posterior tilt. So it looks like this on the ground, okay? If I just relax, I can put like my whole arm underneath my low back, okay? And that's great. But if I'm going to do leg raises and stuff, I don't want to be there. So tuck it in, there you go, and you maintain it throughout. I don't care if it's a leg raise or a windshield wiper or a crunch. Whatever you're doing, it needs to stay there. If you're getting to the fatigue point where that starts to come up, stop. You're done. And if you can only lower your legs that far before your spine starts to get the lordosis back in it, then you also need to stop and not go any further. And it might be a little humbling at first, but dang, that's kind of lame. That's okay, it's not going to stay that way for long. You're going to avoid the pain, and you actually get more involvement from your abs by keeping them engaged throughout than you would if you just let your back relax and kind of fall out like that. Also, you can suck in a little bit as you do the ab exercises, which will also stabilize your spine because you get the transversus abdominis involved, and that stabilizes the low back very well. And it also helps with the aesthetic look of your abs, which I'm sure that's what you're going for. So you don't have this big bloated six-pack. It's like you look fat, but when you take your shirt off, there's little bumps there. So you can avoid that as well, and you kind of get the same effect by reducing the low back pain at the same time. So it's win-win. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Leave any comments if you have any questions. You want me to explain anything more, be happy to do it. Or if you have another question about any kind of pain you're experiencing, also let me know, and I'll try to address it. Thank you.